Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. Today we are going to discuss about quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Alright. So quadrilateral is a regular shape that has four sides, four angles. Okay. And there are 5 types of quadrilateral. Alright. So I will discuss about all that in this topic today. So a quadrilateral is a regular shape that has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. Right? Now let's take the most common quadrilateral. It is a square, let's say, for example. Okay, so a square is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides and it has 4 angles and it has 4 vertices. So what is a vertex and what is a vertex? A point where 2 or more lines intersect. It's called vertex. Okay, or vertex. Okay, vertex, and the plural is vertices. Okay, so this is a vertex. This is a vertex. Edge. This is an edge. Angle. This is an angle. Alright. Now let's talk about the types of quadrilateral. Types of quadrilateral. So the most common one is square, rectangle, now if you use your thumb and press a square on the side, right, this square will look like this, right? This is called a rhombus. This is also a type of quadrilateral. Now let's imagine you have a rectangle and you use your thumb and press on the side, one corner of the rectangle, right? So how will it look like? It will look like this, right? This is a parallelogram, right? So you have a square and rhombus, you have a rectangle and a parallelogram. These are all type of quadrilateral, and the last one is trapezoid or trapezium. So if you have none of the sides equal, parallel, or the angles not equal, the last type of quadrilateral is another type of quadrilateral is called trapezoid. All right, we'll talk about all the features, qualities about of all these shapes and quadrilateral in the next lecture. Thank you.